Still thinking of numeric formatting? Let's do a quick one here. We've got that percent column right here, just inside of column G. We figured out the percent of the totals, the individual bill totals, compared to the grand total, right? We got a percent. But default, when we did that division, it gave us a decimal percentage, which is great, right? I can look here and I can say, okay, 0.58, it's roughly 58%. 0.06 is roughly 6%, and so on. Okay? But decimal percentages are nice, but I want it to look like a percent. I want to make this more readable, right? People can look at it right away and say, oh yeah, 58%, 6%, 10%, 18%, and so on, right? So first step, just like before, I'll highlight my block of data. I've got G5 down to G10. Those are all my percentages there. Back up to my home tab, back into the number section, and I've got my percent style right there. So I can go up into my number section, hit the percent style, and I've now got my percent. Pretty slick. And a single button press, right? Highlight your data, hit the percent style, and you're done, right? It looks pretty good. Now, there's something that we can change here. I've lost the decimals, right? Because it's now in a whole percentage for us. If I click on a cell inside there, we'll see just our formula there still. But this was actually 58%. When I turned on the percent style, it rounded for me because we lost those additional digits, right, within that decimal percent. So what I like to do here, every penny counts, right? Right? We got to keep track of that. So I can highlight that data. I can go back to my home tab again, back into the number section, and we've got these two little buttons right here. We got an increase and decrease decimal. So what I want to do is I want to increase the decimal. I'm going to go ahead and hit this left button here. Whoop. So now I've got my 58.5. Right? It rounded up on me. 6.8. Let's see if I knock it down. If I decrease it, it went to 7, rounded on me. So I'm going to bump it up. Maybe I'll go 2. We'll go 2 levels of decimals, right? Nice, right? Every percent, every penny counts. So once again, a preference. You get to decide. But let's highlight that data. Let's get it formatted properly as a percentage. And if you'd like, as an option, you can increase the decimal and get some of those digits to the right of your decimal to show up for you. Try it out.